Hello everyone, this is a video about how I replaced my 2016 Lexus IS350 battery while having the car running. I bought the battery from a Lexus dealer for around $130. It's not the same battery that comes with the car. The one comes with the car it's selling for $700, so yeah. The part number of the battery I got is shown here. After I pop the hood, locate the battery at the passenger side. I undo the bracket with a 10mm wrench. And be careful not to lose the nuts in the engine bay. There are two cable retainers need to be unlocked, one on the side and the other one near the positive terminal of the battery. And I use a Phillips screwdriver to jam it open. Next, turn on the car and take off the negative terminal first. The sequence is crucial. And then take off the positive terminal. Be sure to cover the positive terminal with something so it does not touch any metal parts of the car. You don't want to have a short circuit while the car is running. Next is to remove the plastic cage of the battery and then remove the battery. The rest are just reversing the order. Put the new battery in and fit the plastic cage. Connect the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal next. Once that's done, put back the brackets and lock the two cable retainers. Here are two comparison videos of the engine start with old and new batteries. Thanks for watching.